Great, guys. I want to share with you some system. I used to use it on Forex, but I have decided to try it out on the crypto as well. Some time ago I was doing it on crypto. I think it was on Solana, and it didn't work too bad either. But that was, I think, last year in the bull trend, where, you know, in a good bull trend, anything works. Here you can see, right, I have got two of the super trend indicators over here. Two, you can see there's the one settings, here's the other one settings. Here I've got one that gives me the major trend, and here I've got one that gives me the minor trend within the or in the same direction as the major trend. As you can see, I've got a coin over here, ATM, USDT. What ATM is, I've got no idea. I was just searching through the coins, and I saw one here which makes these nice spikes from time to time. And as you can see, you can go back and as far as you want to on ATM. It's making these spikes quite regularly, and that is why I decided to go for it. In the beginning I had a different setting for the minor trend, and that's why I had entry points over here, right? Or in any case, I had one entry point over here, and I traded that one. It gave me my profits. Here it gave me also an entry point, but since I've changed the settings to a slower setting, I would be missing this trend of this trade over here, although I would still be having that one over there. Righto, guys. Now, as you can see over here, I drew my trend line as I saw it withdrawing or pulling back up to the support line over here, and then I drew a trend line in, and when it broke that trend line, when it broke away and I had confirmation, I placed a trade. And I was working on a 1 to 2 loss reward ratio over here. As you can see, I've marked it off over here. You can see there is the red, which would have been the stop loss down here, just below the support line. If I reach a close, let's say around this region over here, I will just get out of the trade, close the trade and get out of it, take the loss and get done with it. There you can see is the take profit, and of course you can see that this candle broke. It spiked right through the take profit over there, and luckily I had my limit, my sell limit set in there. I think is it Bybit and coin panel, you can put a take profit and a stop loss both into it, which is something you normally couldn't do, but now I see you can do it. So righto, it helps a lot in scenarios like this. Although here I don't prefer to put a stop loss, a fixed stop loss in, because sometimes you might get a spike down, you get stopped out, and it comes back up again. I prefer to wait for a close below the support line before I close my trade. And as you can see, as I said, I've been stopped, took me out on my take profit over there. Now this might look like a stupid little trade to you, but it gave me a 40% growth on my coin, on what I had bought. So on my capital over here, I had a 40% growth on my capital, which is not too shabby. I'm actually quite impressed with it, and I hope this can continue. I don't know how long it will continue and how good it's going to continue, because we are trading against the major trend, and I think, as any trader would know, the trend is your friend. Don't go against it. You are bound to lose. But I'm just trying to see. That's why I don't trade big amounts. I'm only tracking small amounts and testing it out to see how nice it'll go. Up to now, very good. I'm very happy. Let's hope it can continue. For all of you guys that want to try it out as well, you're welcome. Try it. Just take small amounts, guys. Don't put in big amounts. Take smaller amounts until you are used to it, and then of course you can start stepping up your trades as things go by. With that said, guys, happy trading, happy profits to you. Remember, you're not married to a trade, so all you have to do is, oh my gosh, all you have to do is, once you see a exit signal, get out. Don't hang on to it like the guys hanged on to Luna and eventually start losing everything, guys. When you see an exit signal, get out. When price tells you get out, get out. When price tells you go up with it. Righto, guys. Happy trading.